1,800 up so far for the day. SPY is pulling below VWAP, like I said. Hopefully.
1 minute on hold time for hot stock peak TSTEC. Sorry, coach.
That's all right. Thank you. All right. SPY again to the downside below VWAP. Did anybody get in there?
Yep. Got it.
Good job. Good job. I'm just waiting. What do I need to break this one? So this one, to beat this combine, I need $3,300 more dollars, and this combine will be complete. All right, SPY right here. Still waiting. 601.60 is where it's sitting. Not getting back in yet till I see this start to flush to the downside or pop up. Keeping an eye on it. Apple's consolidating here at 246.
Order filled.
Going in small with SPY to the downside. Looking good.
Order filled.
Adding.
Order filled.
Taking it off. Up 2,267 for the day. Still heavy to the downside.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just took another 500, up 2,600 for the day. SPY still to the downside. Gonna go smaller this time. The closer I get from SPY being close of market previous day, the smaller position size I'll go. And it's at 0.2. It's $1 away. 600 is going to be everything on SPY, gang. That looks like that's going to be around where I had close of market yesterday, okay? So be very careful the closer we get to 600. Do you hear the sound of my voice?
Yeah, you're right about the fill. They're terrible today.
Yeah. So I'm just going in lighter, or I'm doing it really fast. Remember though, small position sizes. Don't blow up your accounts, even if you're on prop firms or whatever you're doing. Small position sizes. That's the key. Right now, I'm doing between 3 and 5 contracts at a time because I've already made a good chunk of money off this today. So now I'm not going to give it back, and I'm just going to start taking little bits all the way till I hit the promised land. Unless, of course, I see something major, a major rug pull or a super pop, right, with a lot of volume. So I'll watch those. If I see any of those, you guys know me, I'll try to get the tail end of one of them. So I'll go heavier and get out faster.